Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Maps and centering the area you want. Type the address or tap to drop a pin. This creates a reference point. Once done, enable device location so Google refines satellite imagery and street data. Make sure you're in satellite view for house-level detail, then use the search result or pin to lock focus. You're ready to move into direct zooming and perspective changes. This first step sets the exact spot you'll examine closely. You now zoom in incrementally, using pinch on mobile or scroll on desktop to reach the highest satellite magnification. Once zoomed, tilt the view to reveal building sides. On desktop, press Ctrl and drag. On touch, use 2 fingers. Rotate the map so facades align with your view. This helps identify house features. When you need ground-level detail, drop the Street View pegman onto the road. It shows photos and house-level visuals that satellite alone. Finish by saving or sharing the precise view. Take a screenshot or use the share function to copy coordinates and the current map state. Use the measure tool to confirm distances, property lines, or to lock a point. This gives exact meters or feet. If the house looks blurry, check the imagery date in Layer Info, switch between app and desktop, or nudge zoom levels. Sometimes a half step reveals clearer tiles. If Street View is missing, try nearby streets or report missing imagery to Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.